Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the skin disease detection using Python. Let's scroll this web page. This complete website developed using Django framework. Let's click on the skin detection part. Then user have to browse any particular image. Let's select this image and then click on the upload button. So model will load and it will give the output. So it will give the prediction and the severity, and it will give the two precaution. Let's go to cancer detection part. This will be the cancer detection. User have to upload an input image, and this will be the information part like disease detection. This will be the complete slider. You can mention the information here, and this is the team section, our gallery, and the contact us. User can fill the form and send, so it will send that particular information in that user mail ID. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.